Let everyone join, then I'll start the class.
ಅಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಟಿವಿ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡು.
One minute, children, hold on.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
So again, should I mute you people now? Good evening, everyone. Now, yesterday we finished this question. I think we were solving question number 7. We finished.
Nine.
Finished it.
Okay.
we were doing the
8th question also. We
No, we were doing the 8, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are
we finished.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
No,
we
ma'am.
finished
We
it.
haven't finished, ma'am.
Ma'am, we finished 8.
now again I have to mute you people.
Finished 8.
Should I mute you people now?
Mom, this is Dipesh just now again, ma'am. Ma'am, now only you started, ma'am.
Yes, till now everyone were joining.
So now only you, this is only the
I
first
said
question,
yes, now only everyone joined. So now, yesterday we were solving this question number 8. So in this, they have told that 8 men finish a piece of work in 40 days. So for 8 men, it will take 40 days to finish a work. Now 2 more are added. 2 more are added means the total number of men will become 8 plus 2. So that is equal to 10 men. So for 10 men, how many days they need? So it will be 10. So what we have to do here?
8 into 40 by 10.
Yes.
8 into 40 by 10.
40 divided by 10.
8 into 40 by
8 by 10, ma'am.
40 divided by 10.
8 divided by
10
10.
1 10 4. 8 into 10.
Man is not there, I think. Be on mute. Hello, ma'am.
You people keep shouting. What is it, Danya?
That only, ma'am. 40 into 8 divided by 10, ma'am.
So if you do this, we will solve this. That is 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. Again 5 1s are 5 8s are. So 8 into 4 will be 32. So they need 32 days to complete the same work. Correct? Then next, after this, we will go to the next question. What is it, Vinil?
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, the answer we have to simplify, ma'am.
What answer you have to simplify?
Like, for example, 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Ma'am, you did again 5 1s are and 5 8s are 40.
Huh? You should
Okay,
get how
ma'am.
many days it is required, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now the next question is, what is it, Shivani?
Ma'am, you did no, ma'am, in that sum. 40 multiplied by 8, in that we will get 320, no, ma'am. We can cancel the 0, no, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. You did no, ma'am, in that sum.
40 into 8 is how much?
32, no, ma'am.
32 into 0. That is 40 into 8 is 320. That divided by 10.
Yes.
Then if you cancel the zeros, it will become 32.
Yes, ma'am.
In all the problems, I tell you people, there are many methods to solve. I am following one method, I tell. Then also you people have the same question. I don't know how, I can't understand why. Tell me one thing. If you do 2 into 3, how much it will be? 6, correct? Or if you do 3 into 2, will it change? It will be 6 only, no? Yes or no? Whether you do 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, it will be 6 only, right? Or 3 into 2 divided by 5. So that will be 6 by 5 only. Correct? Yes or no? So I keep on telling you people the same thing every day, and every day you have your same questions. Now the question is, if 15 oranges cost 110 rupees, what do 39 oranges cost? So for 15 orange, how much rupees it is? 110 rupees. Then for 39 orange, how much? So it will be 39 into 110 divided by 15. Correct? Now do this and tell me the answer. The answer should be this much. Check. What is it, Rishan?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 286.
Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also got 286 answer.
Good. Now whoever got 286 answer, raise your hands. All the others, put your hands down. Okay. Now who did not get 286, raise your hand. All the others, put your hands down. Who did not get 286 answer? You people did not get 286 answer, is it? Okay, so what did you do? So now we have 39 into 110 divided by 15, correct? So let us divide this. So first let us do this division. Okay, so for this division we will use the long division method. I'll write it here. 110 divided by 15. Okay, so that will be equal to how much? 15 ones are 15. It is bigger than 11. So we cannot take two numbers. We have to take three numbers now. Okay, so when we do three numbers, so 15, 6 are 90. Correct? What?
Ma'am, 15, 7.
Uh-huh.
105.
So it is now 15, 6 are 90. So we will not take that. So 15 sevens are 105. So that will be equal to how much now? If you subtract, it will be 5. Correct? Now what you will do? You will put 0.0. Correct? Or instead of this, if you do it with one number, it will take long time. Again, decimal will come, so decimal will confuse us. So don't want. So we will divide this by 5. 5 3s are 15. Again, this if you divide, it will become, I will do the division in another color so that you people can understand. Okay, so this is 5 3s are 15, and how much are 5? How much are 2? 5 2s are, and then 2, correct? 22, right? Yes, 5 22s are 110. Okay. What is that in actions you're showing?
Ma'am, then we have to do 3 ones are 3 13s are 39.
I was doing it. Wait.
Eh,
Okay, so this much you people did. Then we will do 3 ones are 3 13s are 39. So now do the multiplication 13 into 22. How much you will get? You have to tell me the answer. You should get 286. Now whoever will not get 286 have to raise your hands, and all the others will put your hands down. What is it, Kishan? Kishan? Veda, what is it?
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
I can hear you. Tell me.
Ma'am, I got 280, ma'am.
280. How?
Yeah, ma'am.
See, I showed you how to do the calculation. After you do this multiplication, you got 280.
No, ma'am. I divided by 13 into 20, ma'am. That's why it came.
So you did wrong, correct?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, can
after
you hear
doing
me,
this, did you get 280? No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now after doing this, if anybody has got other than 286, put your hands down.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I am talking to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Now tell me, what is it, Dhanush?
Ma'am, you said whoever got 286. No, ma'am. So
Other than 286. If you have not got 286.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, I didn't.
Kishan? Kishan, what is it? What is it, Danya?
Ma'am, even directly also we could do, no, ma'am, like 39 into 110
Yeah.
divided by
Again, I'm
50.
telling the same thing.
Okay, ma'am.
I just now told 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Both are same. First you divide and then multiply, or first you multiply and then divide. Both are correct. Right? Now what is it, Shivani?
Ma'am, can you say that multiplication again? I have not understood that one.
What?
Ma'am, you did know, ma'am, that 15, 3 ones are 3 and 3 13s are no, ma'am. I have not understood that multiplication.
Tell me 13 table, you will understand. Tell me 13 table. Tell 13 table. Unmute. Shivani, unmute. I am giving you permission to unmute. Try to unmute. Pratiksha?
Ma'am, when we have to multiply, that we have to do 39 into 110 or 39 into 15.
Where is 39 into 15? Have I written 39 into 15 anywhere?
Ma'am, there is 39 into 110 divided by 15.
So why do you multiply 39 into 15 now? What is this sound?
That's nice.
So here it is simple. Given for 15 orange, you have to pay 110 rupees. Then for 39 oranges, how much? So you have to cross multiply these two and then divide by this number. Okay. What is it, Shamant? Tell me first.
Ma'am, how can we get to know that we should do 39 but 39 into 110 or 15?
Write down like this. After writing it down, whatever will be there like this, you have to multiply them, then divide by this number.
Okay, ma'am. I think it's cross multiplication.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
What is it, Pratiksha, now? Pratiksha? Kishan? Lower your hand. You're not answering. Lower your hand. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. Now the next question is, if 8 kg sugar costs 260 rupees, how much sugar can be bought for 877.50? Means 877 rupees 50 paise. Okay. So now they have given out. So what have they given? Let us write that. So they have given it will cost rupees 260 for 8 kg of sugar. Correct? Now let us find out for 1 rupee how much kg of sugar we will get. So that will be 8 divided by 260. That much kg we will get for 1 rupee. Okay. Now what is asked for us? For this much rupee, how much sugar we will get? So we have to just multiply this much sugar into the given number. So we have to do 8 divided by 260 into 877.50. Just multiply them. Understood? What is it, Danya?
Yes, ma'am. I was telling that to do like this only, ma'am. 8 divided by 260.
What?
Ma'am, 260
that
by
way.
8 into 877.5.
No.
Ma'am, 8 by 260, it will be in 0.
Yes.
Something.
Yes. We are finding from many to 1.
Ma'am, 260 by 8, we will get 1 kg.
Yeah, not for 1 kg, for 1 rupee we are getting. For 1 rupee, that much kg we will get.
For 1 rupee.
See what I have written. For 1 rupee I have written. Correct? Understood? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. First we can divide
Your voice is
260
breaking.
divided by 8 and what will
Your
get the answer? We
voice
can
is
multiply.
breaking.
Excuse me, can you hear me now?
Your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking.
now?
Tell me, what is it?
Ma'am, first we can divide 260 divided by 8 and what we will get the answer? We should multiply by 8 and 77.50, no ma'am?
Yes,
We can do
correct.
like that also, no ma'am?
Yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, in this you have did 8 divided by 260 into 877.50, no ma'am? Ma'am, can we do like cross multiplication also?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when these like sentence comes, we have to do cross multiplication, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. We don't get any decimals, ma'am, in the answer. Like when we multiply 877.50, ma'am.
No, you will not get decimals. You'll get 0.00.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to convert a decimal into whole number?
Don't have to convert, just multiply here. You cannot convert a whole number into a decimal or decimal into a whole number.
Ma'am, answer is 27 kgs.
Correct.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we should divide 8 into 26 and into
So
877
first you
and
will
plus
do
50.
8. 1 minute, listen everyone. First you will do 8 divided by 260. So you cannot do this directly. So what you will do, you will put 0 point. Correct? So if you put 0.10, you will add. So you will put one more 0 here and one more 0 here. Correct?
Yeah.
Mute. There is some disturbance from your side. Okay. After this, you can divide now. So when you're dividing now, how much are 260 into how much will be 800? How much it is? $260 into 3, yeah. Okay. So 260 into 3 will be equal to 0. 2 3s are 8. 1 carry. 2 2s, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 780 we get, yes. So 3s are 780 divided by, sorry, minus if you do, you will get the answer as how much? 20. Correct? Now what do you do after this? Do that. Do the division completely. So now you will put one more 0. So this will become 200. Then you will do 7s are. So it goes on like this. Okay, it's a very big number. So instead of doing this and waste your time, what you do after writing this, divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6 and 0. Understood? Again, you divide by 2 here. 2 2s are 4. Every time you people tell, no, first we will divide and then multiply. First we will divide and then multiply. So I told you that is a long method here. Okay. So then again,
Excuse me, ma'am.
wait, Nishant.
This one,
2 1s are 2. 6 are and then 2 10s are. Hey, what did I do? No, 1 minute. Tell me
ma'am, I
now.
did not got how you did 8 by 8 divided by 260 into 8. 8 was 77.50. Here you did no, ma'am. In details. That one I
What?
didn't got. Ma'am, I did not got you did no, ma'am. 8 divided by 260 into 8
Okay,
and
so what did we write
77.50.
now? What did we write now? 8 divided by 260. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Into
Yes, ma'am.
877.50. Okay. So
Yes,
multiply
ma'am.
these two first.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us see how much you will get. Think that 0
minute,
is
ma'am.
not there. Think 0 is not there and just multiply these two. How much you will get?
Yes. 1 minute.
1 minute, children. Wait. What is it, Vinil?
Ma'am, I got the answer as if I remove the zeros,
Mhm.
I got the answer as 702, ma'am.
Where 702? If you multiply these two?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
If I remove the
Ma'am, I
zeros,
got
ma'am.
I got
Why will you remove
7,020.
the zero?
Yes, I got, ma'am. I got, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 7,020, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Hmm?
I also
7,020, ma'am.
Nishant also. Nishant also got
7,020.
Yes, you will get 7,020.
20,
So
ma'am.
this 7,020 divided by 260. Now can you do the division?
Yes, ma'am.
Now do the division. What is it, Danya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we do 8 divided by 260, ma'am.
If you do 8 divided by 260, it is a very long process. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
And we go on
The
getting
goes on,
decimal.
yes, the division goes on for a long time. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
in
instead,
every this type of sum also, first we have to do multiplication, no, ma'am?
if you,
Otherwise, the
if you can,
decimals will
if you
come.
can directly divide, you divide it.
Okay, ma'am.
If you cannot divide it easily, then do it this way. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, when I divide this,
Hmm.
when I got the first number, I got as 2, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
260 into 2 is equal to 520, ma'am.
Where did 520 come now?
No, ma'am, division, ma'am, division.
Okay, okay, huh? Do the division and tell me the answer finally.
Ma'am, should we
Ma'am,
multiply 8 into 8,075?
Hmm?
Ma'am, should we multiply 8 into 8,775?
No, this is not 8,075. This is 877.50. Can you see
Okay,
this
ma'am.
point?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. What is it, Gahan?
ma'am, it came 27.
Okay, good. Charan?
Ma'am, family came 27.
Good. Pratiksha?
Ma'am, when I divided 7,020 and 260, I got 27, ma'am.
Okay, now who did not get 27? You did not get 27. You got 27? Now then put your hand down. Who did not get 27? Put your hands up. What is it, Nishant?
Ma'am, no doubt, ma'am. When I multiplied 8 and 77.50 into 8, I got 702,000. See, ma'am, 1 minute I will show.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Even I also got like only, ma'am. 70. See, ma'am. It is correct only. Can you see?
How much you got? 7,020,000 you got, no? So after how many decimal points you have to put the point? After 2 decimal points. So if you put that, what is the answer now?
Yes, ma'am. 7,020. Thank you, ma'am. Got it. Yes, ma'am.
Now we will go to the next question. Now the next question is, who is this again and again they are logging in? Put your hand down, Rishant. Any doubt? The cost of 37 meter of silk is rupees 6,290. What length of this silk can be purchased for 4,420 rupees. So for rupees 6290, how much do we get? We get 37 meter. Correct? Then again, we will find for 1 rupee, how much meter? So for 1 rupee, how much meter it will be? It will be equal to, I'll write this side, that is 37 divided by 6290, correct? Understood? Then, now for, what is that? For how much rupees? 4,420. So for 4,420 rupees, so that will be how much meter we will get? This into 4,420, correct? For this much rupee, we will get how much meter? That is 37 divided by 6290 into 4420. Now here 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Okay. Now you can do the calculation. Either you multiply first and then divide, or you divide and then multiply. You have to tell me the answer. What, Sohan?
One minute, can you go to the previous slide? I have to take a screenshot.
Okay, let everyone finish this, then I will go there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is it, Gahan?
Ma'am, have you taken the questions from previous year's Sainik School question papers?
Why?
Ma'am, these questions have come in the question papers of Sainik School.
I have taken it from there. Few, not all. What is it, Charan?
Ma'am, I got 26 meter, ma'am.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am, if we
What?
first multiply, ma'am, if we first divide, ma'am, we don't get the answer, ma'am. It's
You will get the
6.
answer if you do it properly. Your division and
Okay, ma'am.
multiplication you
It
have to do
came like
properly.
something like, I got something like 7 lakhs, ma'am, so I asked.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in 4, 4, 2 and something side 2 or 0, ma'am.
0,
It's-
0. Wait, my pen is not working today. Don't know, something is wrong. Everything is getting
Okay.
shaky when I write. I'll write again. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
This is 6, 9, 0. This is 0. Now we cancel 0 and 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Thanks, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer is 26 meter.
Good. Now who did not get the answer 26 meter?
Ma'am, when I divided 6,290 divided by 37, I got the answer 170.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
You
I
did
got
wrong.
170 when I
You did wrong. You have to do 37 divided by 6,290.
Ma'am, not like this, ma'am. We should take division only 37 now.
Huh.
1 minute. Ma'am.
You did ulta.
Yes, ma'am.
Even I did not got the answer, ma'am. Ma'am, I did same, ma'am, like 629 into 442, ma'am, then divide
Not
by
into.
37, ma'am.
Wrong. It is written like
Okay.
this. What you did is wrong. It is written like this. Wait. Ayyo, Rama. It is written like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I got that after multiplying the answer, ma'am, I got 170, ma'am.
What did you do?
Dividing the,
What did you
ma'am, I
do?
did
Division.
division, ma'am, 37 in divided by 629, ma'am.
This is how you have to do the division. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how can we do this in cross multiplication method?
This is cross multiplication method only. No, I have written. Should I write again? See. What we wrote was for rupees 6,290 we get 37 meter. Then for rupees 1, how much meter? So first we will find out that is 37 divided by 6290. We did not do the division, we just kept it as it is. Okay, then again we write for rupees 1, it is 37 divided by 6290. Then for rupees 4420, no, 4420, how much? So that will be again cross multiply. That is 37 into 4420 whole divided by 6290. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratiksha, what is it?
Ma'am, when I divide 6,290 and 37, I got 170. When I
It is
multiply
wrong what you're doing. I am telling again and again. It is 37. You have to divide it from 600 and 290 like this. 6,290. You will not get 170 there.
ma'am, why we want to?
Who is in the numerator? 37 is in the numerator. What is in the denominator? 6,290 is in the denominator. So denominator will be the divisor and 37 will be the numerator, will be the dividend. That is the reason. You have to
Okay,
do
ma'am.
it like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what I did, ma'am? Ma'am, my first I did 442 into 37, ma'am.
Hmm.
I got the answer as 16344.
Hmm.
Then I
So we can
divided
write
with
this as 16344 divided by 629.
20. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first I did 629 into 2 is equal to 1,200. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vinay,
Ma'am,
tell
what
me.
I did, I wrote in a sequence and it is 629, 2s are 1258.
1 minute, wait. So
Okay,
now,
okay, ma'am.
1 minute, children, everyone listen first. What method I am teaching? It is the shortcut method. Because for you, in your exam, you have to use shortcut method so that it will reduce your time. Okay?
Okay.
You will not have more time to write everything and do the calculation and everything. You will not have more time. It is just multiple choice like this. Approximately, you will get 1 minute or 2 minutes to solve one question. In that much time, you have to complete this question. Okay. So for that, what we are doing, we are using the shortcut method. Fine. So whenever you get big numbers like this, where you cannot divide directly. See, if you have numbers like this, 2 into 5 divided by 3 or 2 into 5 divided by 14, something like this you have, you think. Okay. If you have any number like this, then you can directly divide. You will directly divide. 2 1s are, 2 7s are, like this. Directly you will divide. Correct? But these are big numbers. So big numbers, sometimes we will not be able to divide directly. Okay. So for that, what we will do at that time, first we will multiply the numerator. So numerator we will get like this. That we will divide by the denominator. Okay. Understood, everyone? Don't get confused. This is the shortcut method. In school, they might have taught different methods. Okay. Here, I am only teaching the shortcut method so that you will use less time to solve the problems. Understood? Okay. So now, after this, what we have to do? We have to divide them now. So now you use the long division method for this. Okay. We have two big numbers. So now we will divide it using long division method. Understood? Yes, Dhanya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you took as 6,290 as a denominator, no, ma'am.
So denominator will become the divisor.
Okay, ma'am. In every question, how to find out that this number should be our denominator?
I already told. See, we have to cross multiply. So cross multiply and divide by this number.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct? So if you cross multiply, I got this. Divide by 1 means nothing. Correct?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
So 1 I have not written.
By our numerator.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am. I got it.
See, here also we did the same thing. See, we cross multiply and divide by this number.
Okay, ma'am.
So we got, see, if you cross multiply 37 into 1, 37 into 1 is 37 only. So I directly wrote 37. Okay.
Okay,
and divide by this number. So that number I have written divided by. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will do this in long division method. We'll do the division. So that is 16344 divided by 6 to 9. That is what we have to do now. Correct? Yes, Pratham, what is it?
Ma'am, I got this correct answer. I can tell the method.
No, it's okay. Tell in this. What did you do?
Ma'am, with 37 into 400 and 4,420.
20.
Ma'am.
Ah.
Divided
So
by
you got
6,000.
So you got 163,440. Correct?
Ma'am, I divided 37 by 629.
You will get 0.0 something you will get. Correct?
No, ma'am, 17 I will get.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am. 13 ones are 37 ones are 37.
mhm.
37 17 is 629.
Okay, like that you did. That is also correct. Yes. But everybody will not know 37 table. Right?
Yes, ma'am. I multiplied
And
that.
every time, so for multiplying, you took so much time. You wasted your time there. Right?
No, ma'am, not so much.
It will be a waste of time when big numbers are there like that. So what we do is we first multiply the numerators, okay, and then we will divide it by the denominator. So now, so let us do the division, children. One by one I will ask. Okay. Yes, Rishan, can you tell me divide by first number, what it will be?
No, ma'am, I was telling it is 16354, not 44. You know.
I didn't do the calculation. Someone told me, I wrote. Okay. 5 4.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 5 4. Fine. Now tell me. First one, if you divide this, with what number you have to divide? Like 629 into how much will you get here? 1s are is 629. 629 2s are? How much will it be? Okay, you're still calculating. Yes, Gahan, can you tell me?
Ma'am, 1258.
1
1258.
Okay, fine. You should get 26. You should
Ma'am,
get
I did.
26 as the answer.
Ma'am,
Wait, Shamant is telling. Yes, Shamant?
ma'am, I divided 16344 by 629, ma'am. I got quotient as 26 and the remainder as 30.
Okay, now let me check who told me the wrong answer. Wait a minute. I will check. Okay. That is 37 into 442 I have to do. Correct? So that is equal to, this is correct. 16354. That we have to divide by 629. So that also, that time you will get 26. So first what we will do, 629 into 2. So 629 into 2 will be 1, 2, 5, 8. Let me write again. Something is wrong with the pen, children. 1 minute, wait. So you get 1, 2, 5, 8. So minus it. Okay. So when you subtract, what you will get? How much you will get? Okay, now 15 minus 8, it will become 7, 7, 3. Correct? Now you will bring this 4 down. So now 6 are. So if you do into 6, you will get 3, 7, 7, 4. So that will be 0. So this is your answer. Your answer is now 26 meter. Understood? One by one. Wait. Vinil?
Ma'am, I didn't understand why you in the tens place of the 16344. Why you brought 5, ma'am? How it
Because
is 5,
if
ma'am?
you multiply 37 into 442, the answer will be 16354, not 44. Who told me this answer was wrong?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Kahan, what is it?
Ma'am, next class you are taking science.
No, next class I will not take.
Ma'am, maths only.
I will
2
not take.
hours.
No, next class one more teacher is taking science. No, Smita ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
She will
Then it's 7:30, ma'am.
take. Is it? Okay. Okay, children. We'll clarify these doubts in the next class. Okay. Now everyone understood, I think. Did everyone understand? Who did not understand, raise your hand. All the others, put your hands down. Fast. Sohan did not understand. You want the previous slide, right, Sohan? I will show. Yes, this is the previous slide. Okay. So we'll meet in the next class, children. Bye.